And here we are, after all that hard work. She's idling beautifully. Just run the motors in, because I think those motors haven't run for quite some time. In fact, years. But she's idling absolutely beautifully, so quiet and smooth. Obviously I'm not going to take her up because I'm at home and there's houses all around me. But just let her sit there and idle for a couple of minutes, break them motors in. So pleased. There we go. So thanks for following me on Facebook with all my photos and distressed yesterday trying to get this thing working again. And all the nice comments. It's been really awesome. So I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.